Hey guys, it's Becca here from Jades and Lilies. We are going to be trying this puppy out today. This is the MAC Electric Wonder collection. It's not the whole collection. This is the Natural Vice eyeshadow palette, and they have two. This is the one that I got. I want to try this foundation. Now this is the NARS Sheer Glow in Syracuse. I had recently got this, but you know, now that I'm tanning, and I feel like this might be too dark. This is what I'm gonna spray my face with. I did a mask. I used this Peach Slices firming mask. The sheet mask on this, they need to work on that because the eye holes were way too small. And it was like getting into my eye. The mouth part was like coming down here. It's still, this brand is still good for sheet mask though. So I'm going to use this Becca Skin Love Brightening. So I'm just gonna focus that on my T-Zone by Terry Brightening CC Serum. And I am going to use a pore filler. And I've been using the Beauty Blender one. The Ole Herinskin Banana Bright Eye Cream. I have my pump in the Patagonia. I don't know what made me get Syracuse. I think Syracuse is fine on its own. Such a beautiful foundation. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the sponge. Going with the Tarte Film Sealer sponge, and I'm just gonna use the rest of the foundation just to smooth everything out. This is the Next to Nothing from MAC. This powder is so good. I don't know why they put this little puff in there. Like, what's it supposed to do? This is what it looks like. Oh, wow. What really sold me is this right here. Buxom Blush. This is the YSL, the curler. I think I did a little too much. Surely did. Tell me what you're looking for.
Her head.
Lily, good luck finding that thing. These brightening rocks, I don't know if they still sell this. I like to use this to highlight my inner corner because it's just gorgeous. Oh. I have this. I should have put this on before I did my own makeup. I've been using this since I got it, but it is a crystal glaze gloss. No, it doesn't really look glossy, but it's very nourishing and very hydrating. You can't even really tell I have anything on, but I love that look. The whole look of not wearing anything, but you're really wearing something. I'm gonna use the Dewy Set. Sepia. Life in Sepia. When I saw they was coming out with this lipstick, I was like, yes, look how pretty that is. It is by Revlon. It is the Endless Glow. This looks so natural. Okay guys, so I'm done with this look. This just looks so pretty right now. I love it. I love the eyeshadow. It's just gorgeous. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye guys.